Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. Alright you guys, so in today's video we'll be doing a makeup inspired look for my background. Yes you guys, as you can see I got a new background because people's been asking it would be better, and you know, way better, and I actually see it for a new background. So yeah you guys, soon that's what we're gonna be doing today. So if you want to know how I get this makeup look, continue on watching. Alright you guys, I look pale, I don't know why. Okay you guys, so I already did my eyebrows and prime my eyelids, and I actually already put on foundation, so we're gonna go ahead and go in with the eyes first. So the palette we're gonna be going in with first is the Nicol Violet Falls X Nicol Concilio palette, one of my favorite palettes, and I have not used it again. Haven't used it, I don't know why, but we're going to use it again today. Alright you guys, so the first color we'll be going in with, it's with this color right here. So obviously we're going to be doing both eyes because I feel like this video won't be too long. Alright, so the next color we're going to be going with is with this color, which is called Hangry. Alright, so next color we're gonna go in with is with this color right here, which is called Chocolate. That's what it's called. So don't say anything. Leave me and my face expressions alone. So I'm gonna get some concealer. So I'm gonna get a flat brush and go in with the iconic London Loose Pigment eyeshadow. Just let me go ahead and just blend all of this out. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so lashes are on. So now it's time to add a little bit of foundation. Just a little bit. All right, for concealer, we go in with the Clinique Now Protect Beyond Perfecting Concealer. Alright, so I'm gonna get some airspun to set that. Alright, so I'm gonna get some bronzer to bronze the face. And the bronzer I'll be using today is the Butter Bronze. So next we're gonna dust all of this off. So I'm gonna get some mascara to do the lower lashes. Now next we're gonna go into blush. So the blush we'll be using today is the Wet n Wild blush. It has become one of my favorite blushes now. Alright, for highlights, we're gonna go in with the Wet n Wild. That has also become one of my favorite highlights. And these are like literally off brands. Like these are like drugstores like makeup. And if you haven't had your hand on the Wet n Wild highlighter, I advise you to, as you can see. Thinking maybe more like of a gloss lipstick. I just need to wipe all of that foundation off my lips so we can do the gloss. Alright, so the lip gloss we're going to be using today is this one. Alright, you guys, so this is, no, we forgot setting spray. So setting spray, we're going to be going in with the Dewy Set from Anastasia. Alright, you guys, so now this is the final look, an inspired makeup look for my background. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys liked this makeup look, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Leave some comments below. But yeah, girl, you guys, my hair is like, it looks so wet, but really it's really oily, so I really gotta wash my hair. I hate when my hair looks like that. Like, I really do. It's just, ew, that's just nasty. So right now I'm about to go wash it because I need it washed. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like this makeup look. And once again, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye. Bye.